Bom dia, savadika, and welcome to a new video. And sorry, sorry for this video because I felt so uninspired the last weeks, and I didn't know what to film for this account because I was so focused on my German YouTube channel that I kind of forgot this English channel and to film for it. And that's why I will share the first hike with Mali here, but I filmed it for Instagram. And first I filmed it also only for the stories, but then I made a reel out of it, and now I'm like, yeah, okay, I have nothing else to share here on YouTube, so I wanted to share it here with you too. So sorry for the format, it's like, you know, hochkant. And then I will also share a little walk at the river, because my goal now is to go regularly with her on walks with the carrier, not with the stroller, like to carry her and to get stronger. It's basically my workout, and I also want to hike more with her, so maybe I remember to film this for YouTube. For my English YouTube. But yeah, I hope you still like this video. And yeah, Mali is looking at me and smiling. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching anyway. I can finally do videos and photos again. And I'm a bit lost, to be honest. But it's okay. I'm not lost. I'm just not walking where I was planning to walk, you know? And this is a really cool way, actually. Where the fuck I am? I don't know. But I can hear the street. So I'm on the right way anyway. I just have to go down. Gemali, we are not lost. Mama knows the way. And we have milk and we have diapers, and I know how to build a hut. We will survive. Guys, I can see buses here. So there's always a path to the street. I think it's this way. Yeah. Do I have to climb again? But this was a nice way. Oh my god. It was so raw. But still the street is here, you know. But yeah, also not so many cars. It's very good. He is sleeping. And I can't believe that I'm walking back. Like downhill. But still I feel so strong. Oh my god. This is so crazy. The body is so crazy. Like 4 months ago I gave birth and I had a C-section and I felt like shit. And I felt so helpless because I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't even really walk, you know. And now 4 months later, everything is healed at my C-section scar. And I'm walking, I'm hiking. This was a hike. This was a hike. It turned out to be a hike. I just wanted to go for a little walk, you know? But then I was like, I want more of this. I need more forest. Maybe I watched too much N with an E. Is to walk with Mali once a week like this, like to carry her around, because one day I want to go on a hike with her on or at the Algarve. Yeah, and for this I have to train. was my little, yeah, Viking. What? Viking? Hiking, walking. I wanted to combine hiking and walking and made Viking out of it. Okay. Video. I hope you liked it, and I wanted to say that my next video will probably be from Germany and Porto, like first Porto and then Germany, because we are going to travel there in 1 week already. Yeah, next week. So that's why I uploaded this little video. So I uploaded anything in June, and then in July I'm coming back with real travel vlog videos. So yeah, looking forward to it.